What I wish I knew about keto smoothies when I started my diet. This recipe is a game changer. If you're like me, always hunting for tasty ways to power up on keto, you're gonna love this. Today I'm sharing my ultimate keto protein smoothie recipe, perfect for weight loss and an energy boost. So what's the magic combo? Start with a high-quality, low-carb protein powder. I love collagen protein for that extra skin, hair, and nail support. Toss in some frozen berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, packed with antioxidants and fiber. Next, add healthy fats, avocado, coconut milk, and a scoop of MCT oil. These keep you full and fueled. And the secret ingredient, spinach. Trust me, it's a game changer. Blend it all up for 30 seconds. Watch as it turns from deep green to vibrant purple magic in a blender. Customize it thicker, more avocado, sweeter, add stevia. This smoothie hits the perfect balance of protein, fats, and low-carb fruits. Easy, delicious, and keto-friendly. Try it and let me know your favorite keto smoothie hacks in the comments. Thanks for watching.